Hey there. If you're running a store and your store is built in Shopify, then this video is for you. In this video, we're gonna take a look uh, upon the 5 major backend updates that Shopify recently did. First, we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna see about Shopify logs. Most of the store owners didn't know about this term, Shopify logs. But if we go to general and then resources, there are two types of logs. First is change log and second is store activity log. First, we're going to talk about this change log. If we click on view change log, then I'm going to land on this page which says what's new at Shopify. You get it right. In this, Shopify logged the updates, improvements, and new features that they recently did, with the date, a title, a description, and the tags that says is an improvement and which area they did it. And you can scroll through every update, every improvement, or every new feature, and you can learn about uh, the updates and new features that Shopify recently introduced. Here are the filters, and if you wanna see just admin updates, then you can just filter out admin updates, analytics, apps, or B2B balance. There are different type of updates that or feature or improvement that Shopify recently introduced. And second, we're going to talk about the store activity log. What is the store activity log? It tells us that which person or who accessed our store and on which date and with which device. If the device, if you see something suspicious, you can take action or uh, contact Shopify help at help center at any time. These are about the Shopify logs, and now we're going to discuss that how to select all the products in the Shopify. Previously, Shopify just allow us to select only 50 products, but now we can select multiple or all the products from here. If you click on this checkbox and here in the drop down, then you can see this select all in the store option. Click on that, you have selected all the products that are available in the store. And the third update, which is we're gonna take a use case of it, where that is bulk edit. You click on bulk edit, I'm gonna update the uh, tags of the product. Previously, we have to go to every product and update the tag of the product, but now we can update the multiple tag for the multiple product at the same time. These are the product and these are the tags. Click on that. You can just write new tag or you can select the previously available tag. That's all about the product section. And the third update or fourth update actually will be the Shopify email template branding. Shopify recently introduced that you can now customize your email templates. How can we do that? We can uh, find here in the notification and go to customer notification. Then here are the emails that are being sent on order confirmation, and we can change this by customizing this with code, or we can upload our built-in template that we have. We can either go to the notification and find the different type of emails, or we can just click here and search for customize. Yeah, customize. Uh, sorry. Or go. We can go to the notification And here in the customer notification, there are different type of emails that are sent on this order confirmation, draft order notice, invoice, uh, shipping confirmation. First, we're gonna go to the order confirmation, and here you can customize your email template by edit this code. If you don't have any knowledge about the code, you can use any app that has provide this email branding, or Shopify has an app that is email, Shopify email. You can use that too. And the fifth update, that is how we can. Fifth point that I'm gonna talk about is customer accounts. You have noticed that Shopify has updated the previous version of the account. Uh, First, we have to see that what I'm talking about. If I go to the preview here in the accounts, you can see that is a recent version of the account page. But some of the store owner has liked the previous version of the Shopify accounts or account customer accounts that says email and password, and then he or she can just log into his account, into customer account. And how can we get that back? For that, we have to go to settings, and in the customer accounts, we have to switch this to legacy, and this says setting saved. We go to this login, and here we have to just click on the accounts icon, and here you can see that it has a footer, a header, and the previous version of the accounts. That's all about the Shopify uh, backend updates. You can use that for your uh, with your compatibility, and these can smooth your access. Thank you.